Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find privacy policy settings on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and safety, and here you'll find it, privacy policy. Click on it and here you can manage your privacy policy settings if you want. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.